Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And what time is it? It's time to unbox this. Let's go! Okay, so we have our favorite character in watch form. So the Wolverine from Marvel collab with this Liz. Okay, so this is my first time buying from this list, and I must say I'm pretty happy so far. The window box here, we can see the watch itself. Okay, and at the bottom we see the close-up image of Wolverine number 62. So I guess there are a lot of characters and variations for this particular watch line of this list. Okay, on the other side, we see the Marvel logo with yellow, and then at the back we see the another this list logo and a bigger full version of our Wolverine character. Okay, so this is called the This List Watch Wolverine Origins Marvel Yellow Nuevo. This was released not so sure when, but I got this a couple months back. Haven't had a chance to open it yet, but since we have the Deadpool Weapon X Heroclix set coming up, and I was able to pull this guy, it's time to break it. So let's take a look first at this particular figure because it is a Heroclix channel. Okay, you can see it's a bug. Okay, so it's a big bug actually. The sculpt is really nice and sturdy. Okay, he's raising his hand as if wanting to get himself acknowledged. Okay, so like a minion. So Timebreaker is Exile's Cosmic Future Past keywords. Great keywords, especially the Cosmic. Set number 16, and he has a trait calling more workers free if another friendly character has not activated this same effect this turn. Generate number 16 Timebreaker on click number 1. So he pops up a buddy, 5 points, sidestep, autonomous, 0 attack, 0 damage, and 16 toughness, so doesn't get KO'd by poison. And a second trait, Panopticon Excursion Platform, which is power, choose an adjacent character, place that character up to X squares away from their current square, where X is the number of time breakers and time breaker bystanders adjacent to that character. Various name Excel's number 62 2005 is the significant appearance, and this particular trait makes them the one of the meta piece in the set. Okay, I actually have two, but obviously we would need more so that we can generate more of these buggers. Okay, so anyway, so definitely a must-have for the upcoming set. So let's go back now to the main event, unboxing our watch. Okay, so it just slides out. Okay, no need to cut the box or anything. Okay, I'm not a huge watch collector. Okay, I have a couple of watches and I just switch between them whether I'm going to a formal event or to a casual event. Okay, so there's nothing in the box aside from this one. Okay, so I'll probably keep this box because it can be used to put in some other things like a dice, I guess, and some figures and cards. Okay, so we'll not throw it away, but let's open up this particular box or watch. Okay, get it out of the packaging, and that's it. Is there something here? I don't think so. Yeah, there's nothing there. Okay, so anyway, so that's it. You can see classic Wolverine yellow watch. Okay, with the blue strap with the Wolverine. Okay, extended image. Okay, at the back we see some more details of the collaboration between Disney and Marvel. Okay, Since 1974, this particular company, water resistant stainless steel back. So basic stuff, I guess. 214 out of 430 pieces. Wow. So we're lucky to get one. Okay, so only 430 pieces in the world. Okay, so we're one lucky Wolverine fan. Okay, so time right now, we're not gonna mind it. Okay, we'll just adjust it accordingly when we actually use it. But overall, I like these grooves as well. Okay, some say it's for children, but I beg to differ. Let me wear it for now and see how it contrasts with my dark skin tone. Okay, there you go. So I'll probably rock this out in one of our weekend Heroclix events. So watch out for this. When I'm wearing this watch, you know it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye!